Hey guys, I'm Ian, and today I'm going to be trying Rambutan. It's a common fruit found in Asia. So, this is Rambutan. It's a very, very funky looking fruit, and the spikes are soft, actually. So, it has this hard shell, and there's this little fruit thingy inside of it. I don't know how to put it. And there's a seed, but I'm wondering how it tastes, so let's get right into it. This is what it looks like. So, this is what it looks like. It looks very weird. It looks like a bald guy's head. Alright, and time to try it. It's actually really good. It's not that juicy. It's actually like lychees, if you ever had that before. But I actually say it's a 5. It's pretty good. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to end it off here. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what you think I should do next. Peace out. Bye.